Hey guys, it's Mr. Vice. How you guys doing? I'm gonna be here with the answers for the mini lesson. It's part A, characteristics of linear functions. Use the terms in the language of the discipline box to complete the statements below. So in the box, the language of the discipline, we have run, points, lines, change, and slope. Linear functions form straight, I think that's gonna be lines, form straight lines, aka the rate of change, aka slope, aka rise over run, is the same between any 2 points. So that's good. So now from there, part B, a line has a point 2, 4, and 4, 5. Which of the following is also on the point on the line? Use the highlight tool. So I'm going to use the snipping tool to do this. And you can see I snip my graph, and I'm going to draw on my computer. You can draw on your computer too using a whiteboard marker. You don't have to plot any points virtually. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to see here I have the points 2, 4, and 4, 5 there. Which of the following is also on the point line? Well, let's see. Let's extend the line. So let's see. That's going to be up 1 to the right 2. So I'm going to go up 1 to the right 2, up 1 to the right 2. So you can see that 6, 6 is here. So that's going to be the one I want to highlight, 6, 6. So I'm going to highlight 6, 6. And then how do I know? How do I know is, oh, that was not highlighted. That was grayed out. Let's go highlight. And so how do I know? Well, I extended the line using the slope, and it matched up with 6, 6. Right? So now from there, what is the slope of the given line? We calculated there. We can see the slope is rise over run. In this case, the rise is 1, and the run is 2, so it'd be 1/2 here. The rise is 1, 1 over 2. And now from there, we're going to put 1 over 2 here. And then what's another word or phrase for slope? List as many as you can, so we can do that. Let's go with rate of change. Rise over run. And then the letter M too. Remember the letter M? Okay. Now find another point on the given line. Let's look at our graph again. So we got to find another point. So we can't go up because there's nothing here. So we can go back down from here though. We go right 2, down 1, which would be 3, not 3, 0, 3. Could erase that. Let's erase that. It's going to be 0, 3. And then from there, we can also keep going, but I'm going to stop there with 0, 3. And how was I able to find that? I extended the slope in the other direction because I ran out of room, and it landed on 0, 3. So now, which linear equation represents the graph? Use the highlight tool. Which one represents the graph? Well, let's look at it. So my slope is 1/2. My b is 3. So 1/2 m is 1/2. B is 3. So I got to look for that. So here you can see here, it's negative 1/2. So that's not right. Over here, it's 2. That's not right. Here it's 1/2. So it has to be this one right here. It has to be this one. So I'm going to highlight that. And how do I know? It has the correct slope, and it has the correct y-intercept. I found let's erase this. I found the y-intercept using the slope, by extending the line, and let's make sure that it lines up nicely. Oh yeah, delete that. by extending the line, and I found the slope by using rise over run. Okay, so now from there, examine the graph and answer the questions. So let's look at that. So examine the graph, answer the questions, and then, so let's go with part C, examine the graph, answer the questions. Okay, I'm gonna snip that again. I can draw on it. Okay, that looks good. So let's go there. And so from there, we have the identify the rate of change for slope is rise over run. So let's look for all the points that are good points. This is a good point, that's 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 a good point. Keep going, keep going. So now we can go here, so it'll be 2 over 1. So m equals 2 over 1, or just 2, because 2 divided by 1 would just be 2. And so from there, I can put 2 over 1, or just 2. Right? So identify the y-intercept. So look at the graph, and the y-intercept would be where the graph crosses the y-axis. And in this case, this is the y-axis, and the graph crosses here, and that number is -1. So b is -1. So the y-intercept is -1. And now from there, so write the equation y equals mx. So y equals 2x plus -1, or you could put y equals 2x minus 1. And from there, here's all funny. Just realized that. There we go. So now from there, select 5 of the following points on the line. Select 5, use highlight tool or mark in red. And so let's erase all those points so we can see if it's on there or not. So we're gonna erase all those. Okay, so we're gonna erase those. So let's see. So the point 0, 0 is here. So that's not down the line. 1, 1 is here, so that's on the line. 0, -1 is here, so that's good. 1, 0, 1, 0 would be here. No, it would be here, so that's not good. So -2, -5, -2, -5 would be here, so that's good. 2, 2 would be here, so that's not good. 2, 3, that's good. And then -3, -7 would be here, so that's good. So it's going to be, looks like it's going to be 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, -1, -2, -2, -5, and then the last 2. So -2, -5, and then the last 2. Okay, identify another point on the line. So last we could just look at here, we can see there's a point on, there's a point here. So let's go 3, 5. So you could use other points, but 3, 5 is what I'm going to be using. So 3, 5, and then we're done. And we are done. Let's stop this recording. Okay, have a good day, guys.